In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Siteground's SSH access for enhanced security. Secure Shell, often abbreviated as SSH, is a powerful tool that allows you to access a remote computer securely. It is widely used among developers and sysadmins because it encrypts the session, protecting passwords and confidential information. So let's dive in and see how you can set it up on your Siteground account. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to Siteground's website by typing Siteground in your search engine, or you can simply enter the URL directly if you have it handy. Once you're on Siteground's homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't used it before. Now, click on the login button, which you'll typically find at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials into the login screen. These are the same ones you use to access all your Siteground services. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Here, your first stop will be the My Siteground account area. This is your personal hub where you can manage all things related to your hosting account. Look for the Websites tab on the top navigation bar and click on it. This section displays all the websites associated with your account, perfect to have a quick overview of your projects. Next, you'll want to navigate to the specific site you're looking to enhance with SSH. Click on the Site Tools button next to your selected site. In Site Tools, you'll find various development and administration options. For today, focus on the Devs section, which you'll see listed in the sidebar. Click on it, and this is where we start setting up your SSH access. At this point, you should see the SSH Keys Manager. Click on it, as this is where you'll generate your SSH keys and help secure access to your server. An SSH key pair consists of a private key and a public key. The private key stays with you while the public key is installed on the server. Under the SSH Keys Manager, you should find an option to create a new key. Go ahead and click the Create button. When creating the key, you'll be prompted to provide a description or a name for the key. This is particularly useful when managing multiple keys, so make sure it's something easily recognizable. After you've labeled your key, click on the Confirmation or Create button, and voila! You have successfully set up SSH access using Siteground. Tailor this process to fit your workflow, and remember, enabling SSH access is a step forward in safeguarding your online projects. That's it! You're now set up with secure SSH access for your Siteground hosted sites. Keep practicing and exploring more about what you can do with SSH. It's a small step but a crucial one towards more secure website management.